Hi, this is Delphin. Today I am going to share how to create an instance in an AWS console. First, we have to go to the browser. And I have to type AWS console login. Here on AWS console management site will be open. In that we are going to sign in. I already have an account, so I am going to sign in as a root user email. Click next, and here we enter our password. And sign in. Not now. Now we are going to create an instance in a cloud server in an EC2. Okay. First we should make sure that which area server we are going to choose. Here I have chose United States North Virginia server. First we have to go to this. First here we are going to search it EC2. In that EC2 we are going to create virtual server in the cloud. In this EC2 we are going to create an instance. Already I have created one server. This is the server, my demo server. I have stopped the instance date. Now I am going to create a new instance. New instance means launch instance. We can give the name for the server. I am going to give the name as new user. Okay. After that, next to that name, here we have application and OS images. And this is an AMI. We have to choose the AMI. Here we are going to choose the AMI as Ubuntu. Okay, once it is selected, here it shows some descriptions like this. Here we are going to select free tier eligible. Okay, this is to confirm. If we go for some other options, it will ask some amount in future. So for practice we are going to select free tier eligible. Next to the AMIs, we have to make sure the instance type. Instance type should be T3 micro or T2 micro. And here also we have to check whether it is a free tier eligible. If we don't check this, means it will ask some amount for usage. Then we are going to create a new key pair. To create a new key pair, we have to click this one and we are going to name this as Linux hyphen our server is in North Virginia, NV hyphen some name, KP already exists, right? Okay, JK. After naming this key pair, then we have to make sure the key pair type is RSA. This is an algorithm. And after that, we have to make sure the private key format, private key file format should be .pem. Okay, so already the default it has selected as RSA and .pem. Then we click create key pair. After clicking this one, our key pair will be created. After that, we have to go to network settings. Network settings. In network settings, only one thing we have to check, whether it allows SSH traffic form or not. If it is not selected, we have to select SSH traffic form. We no need to select any other options. Then click launch instance. Once we click the launch instance button, this instance will be initiated. Okay, notice showing successfully initiated launch of instance and some number. Now we have to go to the dashboard of EC2. Here some followings are displayed. Here instance running 1. It shows the instance which I have created now, that is the new user. Okay, a new user is created. Status check, we can check whether it is created or not. It shows the status check. Under the status check, initializing is displayed. Okay. Once it turns into 3x3 checked, right, I'll show you. You have to refresh it for view the current status. Still it shows initializing. We'll wait for a moment. Here I have already our demo server, which I have used for past 5 days. I have stopped the instance type, so it shows the status as stopped. Now we have created the server as new user. It is created and it is running now. See, 3x3 checks passed. if it shows this mark, we can connect this server from our local computer. To connect the server from our local computer, we have to go to the PowerShell. Okay. First we should click this one. This is the server we are going to connect from the local computer. Okay. We should select the connect option. Okay, once we created a key per key, it will be downloaded in our system. This is the keypad document which is downloaded in our system. Here we created a keypad like Linux-NV-JK, and on that we will select .pm. It is downloaded in our browser. Okay. To connect the server from our local computers, we have to first open the PowerShell window, type cd space, and we should copy the path where the file is downloaded. Here we select the path and we are going to put it in the PowerShell window. Then from this we can set path for the server. Okay, after that we have to go to this instance. By clicking connect, this window will be open. This window, connect to instance window. Here we have some keys like example SSH-i Linux-NV, like this. We should copy this link and copy it here and press enter. Are you sure we want you to continue connecting? We should type yes. See, the server is connected like Ubuntu at IP-172-31-226-53. Once we get this ID and this IP ID, then we can confirm it. It is getting connected with the server which we have created in the AWS console. Okay, this is the way how to create an instance and how to connect the server from the local computer. Thank you.